Hi, let me sound this funny because what you're about to learn could save you hundreds of bucks, especially if you're in Nigeria. Are you tired of breaking the bank on antiseptics? Today, I'm sharing a game-changing DIY recipe that will have you making your own antiseptics at home for a fraction of the cost. But be warned that once you know the secret, you will never go back to buying antiseptics again. So here we have our methanol, our pine oil, our GMP, our color, and our chlorozynol. So first we're going with our methanol because that's our base. That's the base. We're not using water for this. If you can remember, we used water for the air freshener, but there is no water in this one. So after the methanol, we're going with our pine oil. We'll tell whoever the person selling the chemicals to you to label them for you. Okay, so our chlorozynol is actually the third thing on our list, and that's what we just added in right now. And after that, it would be the GMP, and finally the color. My beloved friend, what we are making here today is an authentic antiseptic. Yeah, one you can trust, because this recipe I'm giving out, it's not just for the video, is not just for the views. This is actually what I've been using. This is what I've been using myself. Okay, if you're actually in Nigeria right now, you can agree with me that the cost of antiseptic is increasing on a daily basis. It's so insane right now, honestly. And if saving money is one of your goals in 2025, I would advise you to embrace DIYs because they do help a lot. I'm not even going to lie, even if it's not on my channel, there are so many other channels. Like, I've seen a lot of people that make DIYs, soaps, details, air fresheners. You might think that they are a little bit costly, like you might think that it takes you a lot. Some people used to calculate it this way, that by the time you go to market, get this, get that, do this and that, it will almost be the same thing with buying it in the market. I disagree with that. That's not true. Honestly, that's laziness speaking or procrastination. That's not true. It can never be the same unless you went to someone that, or maybe someone scammed you, something like that, hiked the price because you looked like a novice going to buy in a new shop and they realize that this is your first time. That's the only way you can calculate, and the price will be almost the same. But if other ways, it's not true, guy. This saves you a lot. Do you know how many liters of antiseptic you're going to get from this? Do you know how much they sell just one bottle of this antiseptic in the market? Don't even play with DIYs this 2025. If you have saving, I'm not talking about the billionaires and millionaires in my channel, because I know we do have a lot of them here. But if you know that you are still trying to find yourself and saving money is crucial to your finance, to your goals this 2025, do well to learn DIYs, okay? So guys, let me grab this opportunity to say a very big thank you to people that are still watching at this point, because I know that at this point so many people have must have run out of the video, but there is still there is this few that will stick to the end. Thank you very much, and bye.